one of my favorite songs that Roy Acuff did. And I'll let him tell you a little bit more now, but if you will, make him welcome one more time, Mr. Terry Eldridge.
I know some of you folks remember, I know the young ones don't, but remember Roy Acuff? Not the king of kings, but he was the king of country music.
That's right.
Back then, and I always loved it. I got very fortunate, like Tim said, we met at backstage at the Opry. And I've got to play there ever since first time I played it was 17 years old, and I've been playing it ever since. There's a lot of different groups and stuff. God bless me, He always blessed us all. But I was very fortunate to get to do that. And every time Acuff was there at the Opry, which is every weekend pretty much, he always did this song every show. And if he hadn't went on yet, and I got there, I would always go out front and watch him. Here he is, the king of country music, Cousin Minnie Pearl! And the curtain would go up, man, people just flocked in there. It was just cool to see the excitement. But I loved hearing Roy sing this song, and I loved the way he sang it. He'd very back and open that mouth, man, so I'll try to sing a little bit. Kind of Roy's version of it. I think you all remember it. That he rhymed. Now we joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird.